This video is provided by Coaching Online IIT and delivered by Praveen Kumar Pandey. This is free tutorial videos which helps IIT and medical entrance exam aspirant in secure a rank. In all the lecture series we will solve previous year's question of IIT and medical entrance exam. We will solve physics, chemistry and mathematics question and explain all the fact related to problems in great depth, and an cutting-edge analysis is provided. Our team upload one video per day. So to get daily update, subscribe our channel. Special thank you to my dad Shri Amrendra Kumar Pandey, G, and my mom Shri Mt Neelam Pandey, G. I dedicate this videos to my younger sister Miss Pratima Pandey. Thank you for tolerating me during making the videos. Without you this is not possible. Thank you.
Welcome to free online coaching. This is Praveen Kumar Pandey, your online tutor, and this is nearly third lecture in thermodynamics revision classes. And in this class we will solve an IIT JEE problem, and which has nearly come in 1984. Okay, and it is a 8 marks question. And okay, let me write down the question. The question is as follows. This is a box. In box there is a partition. In box and there is partition. Okay, this partition, and in box there is a partition again, and this partition is insulator. Okay, this partition is as insulator. Okay, insulator means there will be no transfer of heat through this. Okay, there is no transfer of heat through it due to temperature difference. There will be no heat transfer, okay, along through this. Okay, and in this there is a heater. In this there is a heater, and in both the chamber, in this chamber or in this chamber, monoatomic ideal gas has filled. Okay, in this monoatomic ideal gas. Okay, monoatomic ideal gas has filled. Okay, and here again, in it also ideal gas. Okay, monoatomic ideal gas, and gamma, which is given by 5/2r. Gamma, which is 5/2r. Yeah, gamma is 5/2r. Yeah, it is correct. Gamma is equal to 5/2r. And okay, and the heater is switched on, and it start heating it slowly, so that this partition has start shifting in this direction. Okay, start moving in this direction slowly. At some instant of time, the pressure in this block is 243 P0 by 32. Okay, yeah, it is correct, 243 P0 by 32. And again, pressure in this block is also here, 243 by 32 P0. You know why this pressure is equal? Because it is in equilibrium. Otherwise, if pressure will be different, then there will be no equilibrium. Okay, this is the final state. These two things are final. What is the initial? Initial state is that both are P0, V0 and T0. Both are at P0, V0, T0. Means initial pressure of this is P0, initial volume of this is V0, and initial temperature of this is T0. Okay. And again here, initial pressure is P0, V0 and T0. Initial state of it. Okay. Initial state of this gas in this chamber. Okay. Initial state of the gas in this chamber is P0, V0, T0, and initial state of the gas in this chamber is P0, V0 and T0. Okay. So and again it is given that there is no heat loss, there is no heat loss through any of wall, and neither through this wire, neither through this block, neither through this. Okay, there is no heat loss. Okay guys, so what is the first question? Find final temperature, find final temperature of both chamber, of both chamber. Okay, this is the first question. And second question is find work done, work done by right. Yeah, this will be left, this will be right. By right chamber, by right gas. Okay, find the work done. Yeah, this will be right, this will be left. Okay, find the right work done by this right chamber. What is the work done by it? Okay, these two things I have to find. Okay, and nothing more than given, more than this given in it. Okay, okay guys, so let me concentrate about these things, this chamber here. Guys, heat cannot be enter through this direction, heat cannot be enter through this wall, heat cannot be enter through this wall. Okay, and again this is insulated, okay, this is insulated, so heat will not enter through this. Okay, this guy is insulated, this is insulated, so heat will not going to enter through this. Okay, heat, okay, all these sides are insulated, so in this chamber heat cannot be enter, in this chamber heat cannot be enter, not it can come out. Heat cannot enter, not heat can come out from this chamber. Okay, so okay, you got what I'm trying to say, that heat neither enter nor exit from this chamber. Okay, heat cannot. So what is dq here is 0, dq here is 0, dq here is 0. Okay guys, so what is the first law of thermodynamics? What is the first law of thermodynamics? The first law of thermodynamics is dq is equal to dw plus d. The first law of thermodynamics, dq is equal to dw plus d. This is the first law of thermodynamics. And okay, and the purpose at this time I am doing revision work. If I say revision, this means that we all are forget all the formulas, etc. Okay, and we had some tiny memory about the things, and something which cannot be forgettable. Okay, unforgettable, which cannot be forget, like first law of thermodynamics. This cannot be forget, it is very simple. Okay, it if somebody asks what is the first law of thermodynamics, you will say correctly in your dream also. Okay, so this cannot be forget again. Okay, and another thing which is very common, which people will not forget, that the meaning of what this mean, this guy. Okay, meaning of meaning of what this guy is gamma. Meaning of this guy is gamma is equal to 5 by 2. Gamma is equal to 5 by 2. Meaning of this, gamma is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, these are the very simple. And what is the gamma? Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. Okay, gamma is equal to Cv by C. Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. It is this simple. Okay, and if you forget, then it is not necessary. Okay, if you know it, then it is good. If you forget, don't bother, we'll derive all these things. Okay, whatever we require in the question to solve this question. Okay guys, so my process is adiabatic. I can write dw is equal to minus d. Okay, and guys that de should be written as cv and cv dt. Okay, d should be written as and cv dt. Okay, dE, I can write dE and Cv dt. So for monoatomic gas, the uh, monoatomic gas Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. Okay, it is very simple. If you know the partition theorem, etc., of Boltzmann kinetic energy of gases, how it behave, then energy is equal to what? Energy 1 by 2 degree of freedom into kT. Okay, into kT, and here degree of freedom is equal to 3, and k, this if you convert it for 1 mole, then it becomes 3 by 2 RT. For monatomic gas you have 3 degree of freedom. Okay, for monatomic gas you have 3 degree of freedom, so your CV is equal to 3 by 2 R. Okay, your CV is equal to 3 by 2 R. Okay, and this is the energy. Okay, this is the energy, so CV is equal to 3 by 2. So should I write and 3 by 2 R dt? Okay, or should I write and 3 by 2 R dt? Okay, so this become 3 by 2 n R, and n is constant, R is constant, because there is no flow, mass cannot pass through, because all these things are totally closed packed and it is insulated. Okay, so mass cannot be come out and come in, so n is the constant, R is again constant, so here dt, and the constant is here, this is equal to T2 minus T. Okay, if I find, again if you will see here very carefully, 3 by 2, okay, nr T2 minus nr T1, so it will become 3 by 2, look, nr T2, this means P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Okay guys, I know what is the V2, P2, I know what is the P2 is, this is P2, this is P2 is 243 by 32 P0. Okay, I know what is the P2, I had to find V2. Okay guys, if I slightly memory about adiabatic process, because this process is adiabatic. Why adiabatic? Because here dq is 0, here dq is 0. Why dq is 0? Because everything is insulated. Here this is the insulated, this is the heat cannot enter in this system. Okay, so this is the reason dq is 0. So if you know something about adiabatic process, then you can easily write that P V to the power lambda is constant. Okay, and if you forget, don't bother about, because we are going to solve it through SKSS. Okay, we do not need to memorize these things. Okay, who is going to? You are not hardex. I cannot believe, I cannot think that you are able to memorize and keep every formula and data in your mind. Okay, because you are not hardex of computer. Okay, you have not 1 TB memory. Okay guys, so don't bother, don't try to memorize unnecessary things. Okay, keep beautiful emotions in your thoughts, not formulas. Okay, so okay, so we had to think that dW plus dE, this is 0, dW plus dE, this is 0, and again, and this is the ideal gas, and everybody know that PV is equal to nRT. No one can forget this. This is the very simple. Okay, this is very close to heart for every class 11 12th student. Okay, PV is equal to nRT, this is the very fundamental, we cannot forget these things. Okay, so can I write V dP plus P dV and R dt? I can write this. Okay, you will able to write this by knowledge of differential equation or differential. Okay, differential equation or differentiation. Okay, if you expert in this differential equation or differentiation very carefully, you will able to write this very easily. Okay, V dP is equal to, okay guys, listen, there is no external work done. Okay, there is the only work done by moving. What is the work? How work done can take place? By moving this this partition. Okay, by moving this partition, there is only work done by gas, no external work done. So in this case, dw can I write dw is equal to pdv? It is very simple. Pdv, dw is equal to pdv. So should I write pdv plus and cv dt, and cv dt, and cv dt is equal to 3 by 2r. Okay, okay, let me write down 3 by 2r. cv is equal to 3 by 2r. Okay, this should be equal to 0. This should be equal to 0. So okay, listen, let me put an r dt. This guy will replace this with this. Okay, so what can I write? P dv plus 3 by 2 v dp plus p dv. This should be equal to 0, and if you arrange it carefully, what you get? 5 by 2 p dv plus 3 v dp by 2. This should be equal to 0, and you will easily find like this: 5 p dv plus 3 v dp plus 3 v dp should be equal to 0. 5 p dv plus 3 v dp should be equal to 0. Okay, and if you arrange this again, you know what is the fundamental of mathematics? If you are not able to solve the question, modify the question. So let me modify it. Okay, it is your job to find how you can modify it. You can write this in this manner. Okay, and now I become the king. I know how to integrate this. 5 ln v, this is from v1 to v2, plus 3 ln p, this is from p1 to p2. Okay, this is from p1 to p2, and if we solve it, okay, let me erase unnecessary thing. What I get? 5 ln v2 by v0. What, this is the first. Okay, plus 3, look here carefully, this is p2 is 243 by 32, p0 I will get this. Okay, I will get this. Okay, so guys, what can I write down right now? That ln v0 v2 by v0 is equal to minus 3 by 5 ln, if you see it carefully, it will become 3 by 2 power 5. Okay, so what it become? Minus 3 ln 3 by 2. This should be equal to ln v2 by v0. Okay, so it will become ln v2 by v0. This should become ln 2 by 3 q. Okay, so v2 by v0, this should be equal to 2 by 3 q. Okay, and this will become v2 will become 8 by 27 v0. Okay guys, so I had find what is the v2. What is the v2? I had find what is the v2. Okay, this is the very simple. I had find what is the v2. V2 is 8 by 27 v0. Okay, v2 is 8 by 27 v0. Again, it is correct because it's going to decrease and it is less than v0. Okay. 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 So the first question is find the temperature. First question is find the temperature of A and B. Okay, you know guys, you do not need to memorize formulas. What need in ITG to use common sense. Okay, what is the basic requirement of for solving ITG question is common sense, you should require common sense, common mathematical sense, common, okay, then you are able to solve it. So I had calculated what is the v2 is 8 by 27 v0. Okay, it is the very simple. So what is the, and the first question is find what is the find the temperature of both chamber after in second state. Well, okay, final temperature. Okay, so this is, so I had find what is the temperature, I had find what is the v2. So I had always 243 by 32 p naught into 8 by 27 v naught. This is equal to nRT. Okay, and if you see it carefully, I can write 3 power 5 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3 p naught v naught. This is equal to nRT. If you see it carefully, it becomes 3 by 2 power 2 by 3 by 2 power 2. A p naught v naught, this is equal to nRT naught. Okay, because in the question given that initial temperature is T naught, so p naught v naught, then it will become nRT naught. And what can I write? Because number of mole is constant, number of mole, because okay, all things are closed. So what is the 9 by 4 T naught is equal to T2. So guys, we had find what is the temperature of this block, okay, this chamber in second stage, okay, 9 by 4 T naught. Okay, and this again another question, another thing is temperature of this guys. Okay, okay, initial volume, what is the total volume is v naught plus v naught. Okay, total volume is v naught plus v naught is equal to 2 v naught. Okay, and guys, if this chamber has moved by x amount, let me suppose this is v, this amount of volume is v. So what is the v2? V2 is equal to v naught minus v. V2 is equal to v naught minus v. And what is the v naught? V2 is equal to 8 by 27 v naught is equal to v naught minus v. So v is equal to v naught minus 8 by 27 v. Okay, 27 v naught. So this will become 19 v naught by 27. Okay, 19 v naught by 27. If you see it carefully, very carefully, what you get that, so what is the total this volume, what is the volume of this chamber, right chamber in second stage. This will be total volume, okay, this will be v naught plus this v. So in final volume of right chamber, final volume of right chamber, final volume of right chamber is what will be that final volume? V naught plus 19 v naught by 27. And if you look it carefully, then it 1936 plus 1046 by 27 v naught. Okay, this is the v2 dash. Okay, so again I have a fundamental equation, PV is equal to nRT. So 243 divided by 32 p naught into 46 by 27 v naught is equal to nRT. Look it carefully, what it becomes, 3 to the power 5. This is 32, no? This is 32. 3 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 into, this is 2 into 23 divided by 3 to the power 5. And this will become, listen, P naught V naught, this is equal to nRT naught. nRT. So this will cancel out. What? If this is the simple calculation, this is 3 ka cube. This is 3 ka cube. Okay. So what do you get? 9 into 2 into 23 divided by 2 into 2 to the power 4. So 2 to cancel, what you get? 23 into 9 divided by 16. Okay, T naught. This is your temperature. This is your final temperature. Okay.
Hey buddy, hope you understand whatever I am explaining to you. So work hard and enjoy the life. If you want to see me tomorrow, then subscribe my channel, because viewers like you support and motivate us to make videos. Please share this by clicking on the share button on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking sites so that a needy one get benefit and spread about it among your friends. My dear students, an important message for all of you. We are trying to take an online exam, which will be totally free for trial period, means till July 2017. If you are interested in it, then you can register by sending an email or a message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 700-771-9110, or by giving this call on 7755896. We will give more detail about it in our forthcoming videos. Thank you so much.